Hey guys, it's me Fiona and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be following a YouTuber. Her name is Antonio Garza. You probably know her from her makeup videos. Basically, my friend and I were just talking about YouTube because there was a lot of scandal going on YouTube recently. And we're just talking about it and she's like,
you know a really good makeup artist that I just found?
And I was like, who? She's like,
Antonio Garza.
I'm like, really? And I kind of have a really bad memory, so I kind of forgot. But I go home that day later, just scrolling through YouTube, and all of a sudden, one of her videos gets recommended for me, and I'm like, oh. So I clicked on it. I absolutely love her personality. I love her makeup. Like, she's really good. So why not just like follow her makeup tutorial? So that's what we're doing today. I know it's not Valentine's Day, but she uses Modern Renaissance, and as y'all may know, my favorite palette. So I'm gonna follow her beauty makeup adventure and we'll see how well this turns out, so keep watching. Okay, we're really close and personal right now. A little more close and personal than what I'm used to, but this is how her videos start. So we're starting it like this.
I'm gonna start off the look by priming with Tarte Shape Tape.
I'll just use my Tarte concealer. We already did our eyebrows.
Okay, I'm using this shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar, like the original Chocolate Bar palette. I'm gonna start off the look by going in with this shade, Bon Fresco, I think it's called, and just using that as like a transition shade. I'm gonna go in with that shade, whatever that's called, Love Letter. And for the last shade, I used the Anastasia brush that came in with the Modern Renaissance palette. I only use that because it's the only brush I have, so I love that. So I'm just blending this into my crease for y'all. So I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna take the white shade in the Anastasia palette and I'm going to put that under my brow because I got a little bit of shadow there and I don't want it there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go into the shade Venetian Red right there, and I'm going to be using a Morphe. Y'all can't see. It looks like that. And what I'm gonna be doing is really I'm going to really place that shade like there. You know, you can see what I'm doing in the crease. And then what I'm gonna be doing now is taking Venetian Red and mixing it with Love Letter. You can see how that looks. And I'm going to be placing it on the outer edge right there. I'm gonna try to do a heart and we're gonna see how this goes. Like, I'm actually extremely scared for what's gonna happen.
And this is absolute trash. I should have used a different brush.
Praying. I'll see that. Like, you can see how to, like, this is so hard. Like, I thought this was going to be easy, but it is so hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to like outline the edge, like the edges coming in, just to like.
This can pass for a heart, right? Oh my gosh, it's so bad. I'm so sorry. Antonio's looks a lot better. A lot better. I honestly applaud you if you can do this makeup look. Antonio, you're freaking talented, and I aspire to be you someday because I don't know how you're doing this, to be honest. I don't know. This is
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
That looks good right there. So that is what I'm going off of. I'm going to do this so hard. This is actually so hard. I'm going to use the NYX vinyl liner, whatever this is called, and I'm going to draw a very like thin wing, like thin. And I'm just going to extendo it out there. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to the look. And
okay, one eye's completed. Let's attempt it on the other eye. Wish me the best of luck, cause I'm gonna need it. We are back. We look a little scary, but that's okay. Antonio had to go to bed, so we decided to add some glitter because the hearts looked just bad, so I needed something to compensate. I put a little red lipstick on. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you, Antonia, sis, you pulled through with this makeup look. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. And yeah, thank you for any of you watching. Please leave a comment down below for what you want next. Any questions, comments, and concerns, like I said, comments down below. And I guess until next time. So see you guys later. Goodbye.